Hi folks, we are back with the yet another video of this exercise 6.5. Now it is a question number 5, question number 8 that we're doing. Let's read the question. The question says that find at what points in the interval 0, close to interval 0 to 2 pi, does the function sine 2x attain its maximum value. So they've just asked about the maximum value on this interval, that when will it take the maximum value on this interval. That's a question. Have lost. Okay. Alright, so the function as they give us, it's sine 2x, so you have to find out where it is going to achieve the maximum value. Let's check how we can do it. As usual, let's call it as some name so that it's easier for us to work it out. So let f of x be sine 2x, and as usual, we have to find the first derivative in order to get the critical point. So f dash x is going to be 2 cos 2x, as we all know. Obviously, we are not going to stop here. We want the critical points. So we are going to take the f dash x 0, which is 2 cos 2x is 0. The 2 can go on the other side so that you are left with cos 2x becoming 0. Now the cos function, it becomes 0 at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. But that is 0 to 2 pi is for x. But here we are talking about 2x. So actually the x is lying between 0 and 2 pi. Automatically 2x will lie between 4 pi and 0. So we can take values till 4 pi. That's what it prompts. So that is why we have to be taking quite a lot of values. From 0 to 2 pi, the cos x becomes 0. So here 2x can be, it can be at, it can happen at pi by 2. Cos is becoming 0 at pi by 2. It can become 0 at 3 pi by 2. Again, so it's like, you have this quadrant. So here it's becoming 0, here it's becoming 0. Then it's coming, finishing a rotation, again coming here. So it's like 2 pi plus pi by 2. So that is 4 pi plus pi by 2, that's 5 pi by 2. So 5 pi by 2, you will have 5 pi by 2, and again as we did, it is coming from here reaching here again. So it's 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2 if you want. So it's 4 pi, 7 pi by 2. So all these are going to be the critical points for this value. Let's get the x there. So x will be dividing 2 on the other side, you can divide. So it will be pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. So these are our values of x. So many critical points are there. So we have to be finding the value at all so as to determine the maxima apart from the extreme value 0 and 2 pi. So let's try to get these things first. Let's get f at 0. F at 0 means it is sine 2 times 0, which is going to be 0 itself. So that is 0. Let's get f at maybe pi by 4, pi over 4. So it's sine 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2, which is 1. Then we can check the next value. It's f at 3 pi over 4. So it is sine 2 times 3 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 2. 3 sine 3 pi over 2 is minus 1. So negative 1. You can check this because it is sine pi plus pi over 2, which is 3 pi over 2. Sine pi plus anything means it's in the third quadrant, which is always negative, and that's how it becomes negative 1. So that's about it. So it's negative 1. And then we talk about f at 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 means 2 times 5 pi over 4, which is 5 pi over 2. So that's going to be 5 pi over 2 is going to be 2 pi plus pi over 2. So sine of 5 pi over 2 is sine 2 pi plus pi over 2. So 2 pi plus means it's going to be in the first quadrant, where everything is positive. So it's sine pi over 2, which is going to be 1. So this value is going to be 1. Next value is 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4 means it's sine, as we did before, 7 pi over 2. Now same way, sine 7 pi over 2 means it's sine 2 pi plus or maybe, oh, 3 pi is not so good. 2 pi plus 3 pi over 2. So that's 2 pi plus anything is in the first quadrant. So like that it will come to sine 3 pi over 2, and sine 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. So that way you'll get this value as negative 1. Alright, then we'll have to check for 2 pi. So let's check for 2 pi. For 2 pi the value is sine 4 pi. So sine 4 pi is like sine 0 or sine 2 pi, which is also 0. So these are our values. Now they ask us to get the maximum value. So all our values are either 0 or 1. So if they ask us minimum, it's going to be 0. And if they ask us maximum, it's going to be 1. And so we have the maximum at this point. Okay, fine. We have minimum at -1 also. We have minimum -1, there is 0 and there is 1. So our maximum values are going to be 1. Alright, so this... Okay, right. So let me see whether they're asking value or they're asking the point. At what points? Please note. Is this right? Yeah. At what points? Otherwise, they have asked. Earlier they have asked minimum, maximum value, but here they're asking points. At what point in this interval does a function? So they have to be careful. Yeah. They have not asked you value. They have asked you the points. So so we can write, that therefore the function attains maximum value at attains maximum value at maybe x equal to pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. That's it. And that's, I think that should be all for this video, because the next problem is going to be a little more elaborate, so it will be difficult to fit in that next problem over here. So I think we should be satisfied with this problem in this video, and then with the next problem we can meet in the next video. Thank you.